Hey everyone, now as you can see by the title of this video is all about Black Friday, which, as I'm sure you know, is just around the corner. Now we can all go a little bit mad when it comes to the sales, but I wanted to make a video to share a few tips on how to keep your cool when those sexy sales are on. Tip 1, research your products, especially beauty products. Now, if you can, try before you buy. It does help. I have so many videos on all kinds of beauty products and treatments. YouTube and magazines, of course, are a great source of information for all things beauty. So really do your research well before you buy any old thing. Tip 2, set a budget for yourself and avoid overspending. It's very easy to just keep adding more things to the basket, but really try to rein yourself in. Now, if you've set a budget, go to the checkout. This will help you think more consciously about what you're buying and whether it's really worth your hard-earned coins. Tip 3, write a shopping list. Think carefully about what you want and, more importantly, what you need. Now, if you've been eyeing up something for a long time, now might be the time to get it, especially with electronic beauty items, which are just fabulous. Tip 4, super important, go to trusted retailers only to avoid getting scammed. Don't bother clicking on pop-ups, just go straight to brand sites or retailers that you know and make sure the web address is correct. Scams are rife on the internet, so be super vigilant about where you're buying from. Now, Aurelia is a brand that I have loved and worked with for many, many years, many a moon, and I've managed to get a 40% discount off for you. You're welcome, lucky. Now, obviously, I've done a whole host of videos on Aurelia. Their incredible cleanser is mind-blowingly good. So in this video, I thought I'd share some other amazing products from their delicious brand. Brightening Eye Serum. Spoken about this before. Great product for use underneath the eyes. Oh, the smoothness you get from this product. Concealer goes over this incredibly well. Hyaluronic acid, shea butter, a whole host of gorgeousness from this product. And the brightening effects for me are just exquisite. So this is an excellent product to try. CBD Super Serum plus probiotics. So you get the probiotic complex that Aurelia is known for, but you also get the calming effects from CBD. Now, this is a very, very deeply hydrating serum. Incredibly good if your skin is parched, it's dry, or it just needs a little bit of TLC, which mine oftentimes does. It's just an all-round product that just feels a little bit dreamy on the skin. And if you are looking for those plumping benefits, those deeply hydrating benefits, well, you might as well give it a shot because it's rather good. The Probiotic Concentrate, one of my all-time holy grail products. The brightening effects of this are exquisite. I used this product when I had some sort of hyperpigmentation upon my forehead, and it dealt with that incredibly, and I have been a fan of and have used ever since. It's a great, great product when you're looking for an intense product. This contains the highest concentration of probiotics in their range. But for the brightening effects, the clarity effects, the gorgeous smoothing effects of this, and you can apply this with a bit of moisturiser and mix it in, or you can just layer it for an intense treatment, whichever works best for you. Personally, I really just like to layer it on top of my skin, a little bit heavy, so I get the intense benefits of this product. But however you use it, it is an incredible product and one of my holy grail products in the range. It really is incredible. Now, of course, Aurelia are having a gorgeous Black Friday sale. And if you use the code BFWayne40, you will also receive 40% off and free delivery. How good is that? Now, there's also exclusive early access to shop the Black Friday sale. So you'll have 48 hours to shop before anyone else, so you can get all the stuff you need. You'll also receive a gorgeous gift with purchase, 15 mils of Revitalise Glow Serum, worth £34, and there's no minimum spend. You better get on it quick. Now, another favorite of mine is Zip Beauty, which I've been using for a long time. Zip Beauty is a nanocurrent device from Current Body, which you probably know, as I just mentioned, been using it for a long time. Now, I've been consistent with this, and there's an app as well you can use, which is really helpful. It uses nanocurrent and microcurrent technology to firm and lift the skin. It's a completely relaxing experience when I'm using it, and it's just wonderful. Now, I've spoken many times about my Current Body LED tools as well. And if you're looking for beauty tools and electronics, Black Friday is definitely the time to buy. Now, for makeup, Black Friday deals are literally everywhere. A few products are definitely worth investing in. Now, P. Louise, I love. Rose Inc is amazing. Ellis Fast, still great after all this time. I love these brands. They are small, condensed, high quality, and not overly priced. The dream. Now for makeup, Black Friday deals are literally everywhere. Now, a few products I definitely think worth investing in are P. Louise, Rose Inc, and Ellis Fast, just to name a few. I really love how these particular brands have a small amount of products but are done really well. Incredible high quality products that are not overly expensive, which is the dream. Finally, I would recommend taking some time to research and invest in some high quality brushes. Now, of course, I love my range, but there are so many fantastic brush options out there. Now, I will go into depth in another video, but I always recommend a handful of high quality, useful brushes. I would generally avoid sets here and would recommend only buying the brushes that you would actually use. So there's no point in having a million eyeshadow brushes if you don't use eyeshadow. Complexion brushes, such as a really good bronzing or blusher brush and something to blend in your foundation and concealer, you're never going to go wrong here. Now, leave me any comments or questions you have in the comments below. I'll get back to you with as many gorgeous Black Friday tips and suggestions as I can. But for now, do your research and happy shopping. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.